Hello everyone, this printer is HP DeskJet 2810E series or 2800 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi direct. The printer owns Wi-Fi direct. The benefit of it is if you don't have Wi-Fi network, you can use the printer Wi-Fi direct to connect the printer with your mobile device. First of all, this printer is currently in a wireless mode, but you need to reactivate the Wi-Fi direct setup. So you need to press the resume button and Wi-Fi button together for 3 to 5 seconds. So press the resume and Wi-Fi button together. 1, 2, 3. Then release the button. It will show you a printer icon on the LCD screen, and also the light on the Wi-Fi is off. The next thing we need to do is we need to print out network configuration report that will contain the password. And to do that, we need to press the resume and information button all together. So resume and information button together. Welcome to Wi-Fi Direct. It will show you the Wi-Fi Direct information. The password is also on this paper. So the next thing to do is you need to add it to your phone. Go to the phone settings, go to connections, then select Wi-Fi. Then it will show you Wi-Fi network available. Then select Direct HP DeskJet 2800 series. Select on it, Direct /2A/HP DeskJet 2800 series. Enter password. So we're going to enter the password. Double check the information to make sure the information is correct. Then you select connect. It will show you checking the quality of the internet. You see this information, internet may not be available. Then you select connect only this time, connected without internet. Then if you want to add this printer using HP app, go to Play Store, install HP app, install it, then open the app. Then select add a printer. Let's get started. Set up and connect a new printer or add an existing printer. So you need to select add an existing printer. Then it will show you the printer HP DeskJet 2800 series. Select on it. This is the ink level. To print document, to confirm that, then scroll down, select print documents, select PDFs, then scroll down and select the document you want to print out. This is 2-page document. Select print preview. Then it will show you the printer. Select number of copies. Select the paper. You want to print all and you want to print it in color. Orientation, automatic. You can select orientation as portrait. More option. Quality, you have option to select draft, normal, or best. So it's currently normal. Scale, fill page, then go back, then select print. So this document is printing via Wi-Fi Direct. The first one printed out. These are documents we printed out in color, single page each. You want to scan documents, put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner, face down, close the cover. Make sure the document starts from the bottom right. You will see a mark on the right side of the printer. Close the cover. Then select scan. Select the size as A4. Go back. Source glass scanner. Resolution maximum is 300 dB at 200 is selected. Then go back. Want to scan this in color. If you want to scan it black and white, then select black. So it's currently in color. Then select scan. So this document is scanning via Wi-Fi direct without Wi-Fi connection. You can see the Wi-Fi direct icon on the tricolor ink level. This is the document. Select few, select full, select next. This is the document we scanned. You can edit it. You can delete this document, and also to print it out, you select print, preview. Then select number of copies, color, etc. Then select print. This is the document we scanned and also printed it out. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. Print out document to confirm and also scan document to confirm. This is HP app. So this is the ink level of the printer. We connected this printer via a Wi-Fi direct. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.